In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass on Lufthansa app on your smartphone device. This will work with both iPhones and Android devices. So the first thing you need to do is go into your smartphone device and then search for either App Store or Google Play. From here, you should look at something like this, where you'll need to search for Lufthansa right here. From here, the second one or the first one should be Lufthansa right here. From here, you'll need to download it and open the app up. And then from here, it will ask you to either sign in or sign up for an account. And you'll need to do that before you can get your boarding pass. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you'll need to go down to My Flights. Then from here, you can see Add Booking or Check-in. From here, when you click on that, you'll see the booking reference, the first name and the last name of your boarding pass. Once you have written your entire booking reference, you'll need to click Continue. And then from here, you'll have access to your boarding pass, check-in, and every single other information that is relevant for you for having a good flight. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!